Gagan Banga, CEO at Indiabulls Financial Services Limited, is with us. Gagan, great to see you. It's been a long time. Indiabulls Financial Services is one of the largest non-banking financial services company in the country. I want to ask you, Gagan, how's the quarter been so far? I mean, of course, you'll report numbers in a bit, so we won't get specific. But how's business been? And I'm going to cite you a data point which came out last week. This is RBI's fortnightly loan growth data, which, I mean, the growth rate has fallen, I think, to close to about sub 16% levels or so. The first time since March 2010. For you, how has the environment been?
Credit growth of the system at around 16% is more a reflection on the GDP and where is the GDP expected to be. Typically, credit growth in the country is around 2.25 to 2.5 times that of the GDP. So that 16% is more a reflection of the system in general. Private players, including some private banks and housing finance companies, have typically grown at a slightly faster pace to the system level credit growth. And we will be growing at a pace which is faster than 16%. At the start of the year, we had guided to a growth of approximately 30%, and we should be sticking to that growth. So we are well on track on that 30%.
Gagan, in an overall slowing kind of environment, what's the differentiator? You're saying you'd still do close to 30%, which you had guided for earlier. I mean, connect the dots.
It's essentially the segments. So banks as a whole will be more, lending towards sectors like infrastructure and capital expansion. We are more a retail home finance player. As long as home finance transactions, especially the smaller ticket home finance transactions, which are sub 25 lakhs, they stay stable. A company of our size would continue to grow. We had started the year at about 20,000 crores of loan assets. As of September 30th, we were at about 23,700 crores of loan assets. So a company of this size can grow 30% without too much of an issue. Essentially, the segment that we are in, which is home finance, is a pretty stable type of a segment. So while homes and home loans as an overall asset class may not grow by 30%, slightly more efficient players will tend to gain on market share.
2 points there. I know the home market, the residential property market is pretty different. It depends on which market you look at. Even in one market like Mumbai, there might be different trends, etc. For you at Indiabulls Finance, I mean, what's the ticket size? What's the largest ticket size of loans that you make towards home loans, towards that portfolio? And second, for other businesses, when you make loans, aren't stresses in the system a deterrent? Or you're still able to grow at much faster rates than the industry?
The range would be a pretty wide range. So it would start from about 10 to 15 lakhs and go up to a few crores of rupees. The average ticket size is what is important, which is around 23 to 24 lakhs for us. And in that segment, one essentially finds ourselves giving loans in suburbs of larger towns or in smaller towns, which is essentially tier 2 towns. So in that segment, we are essentially catering to the first time buyer. As long as jobs are getting generated in India, and one has to remember that for every 100 square foot of office space addition, there is approximately 1,000 square foot of residential space addition, which typically gets accrued. The second important point is that very large housing finance companies and very credible housing finance companies for the last 10 to 15 years have been able to maintain a growth rate in the range that we're talking about. So they have been growing in the range of 20 to 30% year on year without a break. So there are precedents where efficiency is in a position to either expand the market in a very stable type of a market, or gain on market share from not such efficient players. So I guess Indiabulls will be a beneficiary of both of these trends.
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone. fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.